turn recycled materials into wrapping papers, advent calendars, and Christmas crackers this season. To get your DIY Christmas wrapping project started, you'll just need some simple things like a paper bag from the grocery store, some scissors, some tape, some maybe puffy paints, and some old Christmas cards from last year, or any other kind of adornments that you want to use. This one I just cut out a little shape of an ornament and tied it on. Watercoloring the paper bags and adding things like photographs or postcards and things you cut out of magazines also makes for a really nice technique. This paper bag had some really cute illustrations on it, and so I had some finger puppets and I put them in little pockets, and it made for a really cute children's wrap. You can also use a toilet paper roll and cover it with paper and type up fun little jokes and put in fun things, make your own crown for your own party crackers. And you can even make advent calendars. You can do them in the shape of a tree or be creative, and it doesn't have to be every day. I do them by the week and call them Advent Adventures. You can even add a playing card for a wild card day, which is always fun. Gift cards are super popular, so you can make passports to dining and do it by different types of food, or if you know the kind of restaurants they like, just give them their favorite gift cards, but present them in a unique and fun way with recycled materials. We have a poker group, so think about using old cards for party favors or invitations. You can even take the cards and cut them into shapes and just have fun recycling an old deck of cards. Holidays don't have to be about how much money you spend, but they should be about thoughtfulness. So I just like to find little things like sequins and ribbons and reuse them, and people love to get cards and handmade gifts. So have fun making yours.